Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Meyerstal, Alberton, South Africa for R925,000. Fabulous 3-bedroom simplex, with its own exclusive views garden. All the bedrooms are north-facing. The main has an ensuite bathroom and the other 2 bedrooms are serviced by the other bathroom which has a shower. The unit also has a handy linen cupboard. All the floors in the unit have been retiled. The open-plan living area flows into an ultra-modern brand-new cherry wood kitchen. The granite countertops are very tasteful and provision has been made for a convenient 3-place kitchen diner as well as a double-door fridge. A lockable large pantry cupboard, a glass top hob, extractor fan and an under-counter oven, completes this gourmet environment. The complex itself is very well maintained and is said to be very secure, with electric fencing surrounding the whole complex and security guards employed on a 24/7 basis. A well-cared-for communal pool and an undercover secure entertainment area is available for use by all the residents. Not only is this complex child-friendly, small pets are also welcome. Emergency services: Alberton, Medicross 1.21. Bracken Medicenter 1.28. Bracken City Medical Center 1.39. South African National Blood Services 1.81. Recreation: Women's Gym 1.12. Curves, Meyerstal Square 1.75. Virgin Active, Meyerstal 1.79. Raadvlei Farmyard 2.26. Schools: Kenton Primary School 0.89. Hoërskool Inimeka 1.14. Divering Secondary School 1.22. Sparrows Private School 1.53. Services: Zenex 0.66. Engine, Village 1.04. Engine, Brackenview 1.48. BP, Randut 1.69. Shops Entertainment: Zenex Snack Shop, Heart Service Station 0.66. Engine Quick Shop 1.05. Brackenhurst Square Shopping Centre 1.11. Clicks Pharmacy, Brackenhurst Square 1.11. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.